Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a reading list on the Webnovel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the library option at the lower left corner of the screen and tap to the reading list next to the reading button at the upper side of the screen, and tap to the create button and tap to the list name and add the title to your list, and you can set this list to private and create a description, and if you don't, that's tap to the create button and your reading list is done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.